Did you think you know your own body pretty well? Think again! Today I'm dropping 10 absolutely insane facts about the human body that will leave you speechless. Number 7 is the craziest. Stick around till the end. Let's dive in. Fact number 1, your stomach acid is insanely powerful. According to a real scientific study published in the journal Gastrointestinal Endoscopy, simulated human stomach acid with a pH of 1 to 2 completely dissolved the thick back of a single-edged razor blade in just 2 hours. Imagine what it does to your booty. Fact number 2, you're basically a walking ecosystem. The old myth said bacteria outnumber human cells 10 to 1, but a major 2016 study updated that. The average adult has about 38 trillion bacterial cells, nearly matching our 30 trillion human cells. That's a ratio of roughly 1.3 to 1, and most of these tiny guests are actually helpful, aiding digestion, immunity, and more. Mind blown yet? Fact number 3, your sense of smell is way more powerful than you think. For decades, we were taught humans could only detect about 10,000 different scents, but a groundbreaking 2014 study in the journal Science completely shattered that myth. Researchers found we can actually discriminate at least 1 trillion different odors. That's 1,000,000 times more than previously thought. Fact number 4, there's one bone in your body that's completely unique. The hyoid bone, located right here in your throat, is the only bone that doesn't connect directly to any other bone. It's suspended entirely by muscles and ligaments, basically floating freely. This helps with swallowing and speaking. Anatomy fact that always blows minds. Fact number 5, your heart never takes a break. It beats about 100,000 times every single day, pumping roughly 2,000 gallons of blood through your body. And here's the insane part, that blood travels a total of 12,000 miles per day through your blood vessels. That's equivalent to crossing the entire United States from coast to coast 4 times. Absolute powerhouse. Fact number 6, your tongue has its own unique print. Scientific studies, including research from forensic dentistry journals and a 2023 University of Edinburgh analysis, show that every person's tongue has distinctive patterns in shape, texture, color, and papillae, just like fingerprints. These are so unique that they differ even between identical twins and could one day be used as a biometric ID tool. Crazy, right? Fact number 7, you blush on the inside too. When embarrassment or emotion makes your cheeks turn red from dilated blood vessels, the same thing happens to the lining of your stomach. This is due to the sympathetic nervous system triggering widespread vasodilation from adrenaline. It's a real physiological response, backed by medical references and studies on emotional vascular changes. Super weird. Fact number 8, your lungs have an insane surface area. If you could unfold all the tiny air sacs, alveoli, inside your lungs, they'd cover roughly 750 to 1,000 square feet. That's about the size of half a tennis court or one full side. This massive area allows super efficient oxygen intake and CO2 removal. Mind-blowing scale for such a compact organ. Fact number 9, you're basically a human snake. Over your entire lifetime, you'll shed around 40 to 45 pounds of dead skin cells. Yeah, that's roughly the weight of a 5-year-old kid. And guess what? Most of the dust in your house is actually your old skin. You're welcome for that nightmare fuel. Fact number 10, your brain is an absolute energy hog. It makes up only about 2% of your body weight, roughly 3 pounds in an average adult, but it consumes a whopping 20% of your entire body's energy, even when you're just chilling. That's why thinking hard can leave you feeling hungry. Your brain is constantly powering billions of neurons. Total powerhouse. Thank you for watching until the end. We hope these 10 fascinating facts about the human body have sparked your curiosity and offered something new to learn. Which fact surprised you the most? Which one did you find the most interesting or impressive? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Simply mention the number or describe the one that stood out to you. We read every comment and truly value your perspective. If you enjoyed this content, please consider giving the video a like. Join our community, subscribe to Very Interesting, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly explorations of the world's most intriguing topics. Welcome to Very Interesting. Thank you once again for watching. Very Interesting, where knowledge becomes truly fascinating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.